In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Runway ML for product imaging. By the end, you'll know how to turn a clear idea in a single product photo into polished, on-brand visuals using Runway's Generate Video workspace. Start by opening the Runway dashboard in your browser. This is your control center, where you'll access tools and see your recent projects. Keep your product image handy on your computer so you can upload it when it's time. Next, choose the Generate Video option. Even if your end goal is a still or a short looping clip, this workspace is perfect for product imaging because it handles motion, lighting, and stylistic details gracefully. It's optimized for quick iterations, which is exactly what you want when you're refining a look or testing different backgrounds for the same product. Now type your prompt. The secret to great results is clarity. Describe the product, the setting, and the mood as if you're briefing a photographer. For example, specify the background color or environment, the lighting style, and the camera angle. If you want a clean, e-commerce ready look, ask for a seamless white or soft gray backdrop, even lighting, and a gentle studio reflection. If you're going for lifestyle, mention the location, vibe, and time of day, like warm morning sunlight on a countertop. You can also include stylistic cues such as cinematic, macro, or product hero shot. Keep it concise but intentional. Then click the option to drop an image or upload from your device and select your product photo. Choose a high-resolution image with your product centered and well lit. Plain backgrounds, crisp edges, and minimal shadows give the model more to work with. Avoid watermarks or busy scenes that might distract from the subject. If your product has fine textures or transparent parts, a higher quality source image will help preserve those details. When your prompt and reference image are ready, click Generate. Runway will process your request. This can take a few minutes depending on complexity. Keep the tab open while it renders. You'll see a preview once it's finished. Review the result with a critical eye for brand consistency. If the background is too busy, mention minimal background or clean studio look in your prompt. If the product color shifts, anchor it with phrases like accurate color and true to life finish. Small, specific edits to your prompt usually yield big improvements. You can also try a different reference image if the composition isn't ideal. That's it. You've used Runway ML to create compelling product visuals quickly and consistently, ready for ads, listings, or social posts.